Good morning everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Dr. Pragathi. So today I'm super excited because we have received 100 abutments of implants and I'm going to unbox it. We have already some 2-3 machineries, implant machineries that we have, but still today we have bought an upgraded version of it. And we have a implant team that works at Richardson Hospital that takes care of all these things. I am super excited to unbox it. Let's go. So we have received the box from Woodpecker medical instrument. This box looks really cool. So this box is designed in such a way that there won't be any problem to all the instruments that are there inside. So come, let's do what is there here. Okay, here we have a certificate saying that the products are not fake. So these are the good products that we have got. This is a manual for the implant unit. Okay, we have got a cool monitor here and some wires, and okay, these fit here, so for the monitor to carry it wherever we want. And this is a cool foot controller. Wow, that's really cool. This is a handpiece. This is a contra-angled handpiece that we have got here. Okay, this is one more handpiece that we have here, that is straight handpiece. This has got a really cool packing. This handpiece looks really great. It has got some magnetic packing. Wow, I love such kind of packings, you know. Okay, that should fit right here. And then we have some clips for the monitor. Okay, cool. They've also given us some fuse that we can use. And this is where our handpiece goes. And these are for some infusion, single-use infusion wires for the intraoral cavity. Wow, this box is really awesome. Let me close it. And here we have received the 100 implant bodies and abutments. Look at that. So we have got few sizes also. This red one, okay, this has like some 3.75 diameter and 13 mm length of implant. Let me open the blue one. So they have given color coding to differentiate the length of the implants. This has got 4.2 diameter and 13 mm length. So the diameter, the color coding goes like this. So wow, so I'm so excited to see all these 100 implants, and we have got cool abutments also. So this is an abutment of 2 mm that goes right in front of this body. This goes inside the mandible, that's the bone or the maxilla, and this fits in on top of this. So at Richardson, here we do all kinds of implant treatment and all kinds of implant surgeries. All varieties are done, and we have great materials, so that goes well with each and every patient. And we also have a fabulous, beautiful team that works on this implantology. So whatever queries you have, please drop down in the comment. Thank you.